Have you ever thought about making up to $90 per day by typing names online? How awesome would that be? Here's how this works. When you type names like Daniel, William, Alan, or many more that would fill up a page, you will get paid $18. 5 pages will pay you dollars. 90 pages is $300, and typing 35 pages per day will pay you up to $630. The best aspect is that there are no limits whatsoever. You may type as much as you want and make as much money as you want. You can begin typing on your phone or computer completely free to get paid $18 for typing 1 page of names. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to avoid missing out on the sign up process, which is actually quite difficult and most people tend to get it wrong. Also, I'll be giving away one more website as a bonus later in this video, so make sure to stick around in order to earn 3 times as much as others. Head over on the website called talentdesire.com. I'd explain what it's all about very soon. But for now, just look at this calculator over here. With this, you can easily estimate how much money you can make from this brand new opportunity. Pay close attention to this rate per word, which means how much money you can get paid for word that you type. It'll be 5 cents in US dollars, and 1 page normally contains roughly 300 words. And you can get paid simply by entering names on each of these pages. Now let me show you this link where you may get paid $18 for typing 1 page of names. The website we're going to be using today is called talentdesire.com, and it can be used to make money online from home without investing a single cent. To get started, you don't need to make any investment or spend any money. We're going to focus on online typing jobs in this video because it's one of the easiest things you can do on this website. As you scroll down, you'll notice that they offer a variety of work-at-home options such as online proofreading jobs, freelancing, blogging, language translation, and online paid surveys. You have a wide range of options when it comes to jobs, but for the purpose of this video, we'll concentrate on online typing jobs because it's one of the easiest things you can do on this website. Also, it takes no prior expertise or technical knowledge. I want you to go ahead and click on this red text right here, written online typing jobs. Here, you'd learn more on how you may earn anywhere from $13,500 to $27,000 per year. It's truly a very good earning potential for people from any place in the world. And joining fees, as you can see here, are completely free. There is no hidden cost before or after you join, and we don't ask about investment to you on any stage. Depending on your skill level, you'll be paid at different rates, ranging from beginners all the way up to experts. You can see that even if you're a total beginner, you may get rewarded. I'll show you the strategy that no other person would know about in just a moment. Here's the first bonus tip. Go ahead and visit radatype.com. This is the homepage of the website where you can take a free typing test. Right here, click the yellow button, and you'll be directed to this page where you may begin typing on your phone or computer. I'd like you to take the speed typing test since you'll get a typing certificate from this website. You can get the certificate for free, and you'll need it because it'll boost your income and earning rates on each page. If you want to get paid $18 for typing 1 page of names, for example, make sure you acquire their certificate. This is one ultimate secret of this money-making technique. It would get you accepted much faster and have access to more high-paying ties and endless job opportunities if you have a certificate to prove to them that you can type. It's important that you keep an eye on the screen to understand how to receive the certificate and complete your Talent Desire application. When you start typing on this page, it will calculate how many words per minute you can type, as well as your accuracy. This including whether you have any spelling or typing mistakes. Your accuracy should be between 98 and 99.99%. The more accurate you are, the more money you will make. You may demonstrate both your typing speed and accuracy by taking a typing test and receiving a certificate from this website. This will quickly raise your payout rate. Here's a real-life example of how to take these tests and obtain a certificate for free in less than 5 minutes. Once I complete typing, they'll show me my typing speed and accuracy, both of which you can see here. Don't worry if your accuracy is less than 98%. You can always return to radatype.com and take the typing test over and over, completely free, until your speed or accuracy improves. I want you to click on this link. You may join for a free account by providing your name, email address, and password. Create a free account by agreeing to the website's terms and conditions, and then optionally decide if you want to receive newsletters from them. Then click on the yellow sign up button. Once you've reached a satisfying result from Radatype, you can scroll down and click on the certificate. You'll notice that it reads awarded to your name for typing in English. It will also come with a radatype.com signature to verify that it's legitimate. It would allow you get paid $18 for typing one page of names. Now I'll teach you how to register and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com. Heading back to the online typing jobs page of talentdesire.com, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on this red button that says Apply Now. You would be directed to this page where you can start applying for your job. However, please pay close attention and watch this video till the very end because the registration page on here can be a bit quite tricky and difficult. Scroll down to click on Select an application form. You'd then be directed to this page where you can apply for work at home jobs online by clicking on this red text. The text plus says, fill in your data to apply and work with us. The registration process is quite hidden on this website, so if you can't locate it, be sure to rewatch the video. When you scroll down below this page, you can see where you'll be filling in your personal information. The first step is to accept the privacy policy by entering your first and last name, email address, phone numbers, and country. Talent Desire basically welcomes people from all over the world, including India, Nigeria, Iraq, Japan, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, Pakistan, and many more. Moving on to the next page, this is basically where you'd include your professional information, which would be an important component that the majority of individuals overlook. Go ahead to fill in Professional Data Entry Specialist as the job title. It's essential that you type the job title exactly like this. Proceed to select the best time for you to work. I recommend all day because it will give you more job opportunities to ultimately earn more money online. Select the best way to receive your earnings: PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, or Skrill. I personally would go with PayPal, but you're free to choose whatever is best for you. Scroll down to choose your current professional status, and you can choose one of the statuses right here. So in this case, I just chose self-employed. Once you've filled out all of the details, click Yes, I've read and accepted the above statement. Don't forget to sign your name, which you can do by typing your full name here. Click on I'm not a robot, then click the Submit button. Once you've been accepted, you can start receiving typing name jobs such as this one where you can get paid $18 for typing one page of names, and then get another $18 for the second page, and another $15 third page, and so on. And that's it. How to get paid $18 for typing one page of names. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and most importantly, make money. Alan, love you.